definitely wanted to do a separate video of a loc update, but since I'm getting prepared to go to a wedding this weekend and I wash my hair and I'm about to style my hair, I'm like, this is the perfect opportunity to go ahead and get it done. So I just want to spend the duration of me doing my hair talking about the pros of having locks, some of the cons of having locks, and where I am in my loc journey, as well as some of my tips and tricks. Now I have about 45 minutes to get this done, so we are going to talk and get through this together. Let's get into this hair takedown. After I wash my hair, it is always soaking wet. So I wring it out as much as I can, but I use this is actually just a piece of cloth that I got from the fabric store, and I use this versus a towel so I won't have lint in my hair. After I wash my hair, I put it in a bun. Again, just trying to let it dry out a little bit because it's typically holding on to so much water. So in the front, we are right at bra strap length, and I have been locked for 5 years. I locked my hair in April 2020. In the back, it does look a little longer. In the back, we are approaching butt crack length. Am I tripping? Am I tripping? So the style that I'm doing is a light retwist. I always say light retwist because I don't think when I do my hair, it's actually sharp enough to be called a retwist. And then once the hair dries and sets, I'm going to do a 2-strand twist out. All right, so let's get this started. I just rehydrated my roots a little bit in the back. I'm going to add a little bit of oil across the perimeter of the part before I start to style it. Like I said, I don't really know how to part, so I just separate the hair a little bit and I get started. It didn't really take me a lot of time to decide that I wanted to lock my hair. Before I had locks, I would pretty much just wear my hair in a slick back ponytail. I would only get it straightened like once in a blue moon. I was natural, and yeah, I just wasn't serving with my natural hair. I don't like doing my hair, which is another reason why I got locks, so it just really fit my lifestyle. But 5 years in, I am feeling like I want something new. I never really thought that I can grow my hair this long. I would always grow it and then just like end up cutting it into a style. Locks do work with my lifestyle because I don't like to get my hair done. I don't like to do my own hair, but I can't lie, y'all. I am tired of my babies. I'm tired of my locks. I have been thinking about cutting them for the past at least 6 months. Either cutting them or combing them out. And the reasons why I feel like I don't like them anymore is, one, because of the lint. You probably can't see it in the camera, but my locks do have lint in them. And my hair is virgin. It has never been colored before. So I naturally have like a sun brown hair. A sun colored tint. Let's see if you can see it. You can see all the lint, and I just get tired of seeing it. I get tired of seeing it, y'all. So that's one reason. And then two, with my locks being longer, they aren't as versatile as they used to be. Because anytime I do something to my hair, it makes my freaking head hurt, y'all. But other than that, I like having locks. They're quick. I do feel like at this stage, I'm doing my hair more. I have to wash my hair about every 2 weeks. I have to wash my hair every 2 weeks, mainly because I've been in the gym more, and when I sweat, I just don't like how it weighs my hair down. And when my hair is too weighed down, it just simply hurts. Like, it feels so heavy.
Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the vibe. Fa, 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 fa. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, grab it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a vibe, they advance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
So yeah, I would say if you are somebody who is on the fence about getting locks, there are pros and cons to having them. I would say if you are a person who gets really attached to things, then maybe you shouldn't lock your hair because you'll be attached to them. When I first locked my hair, I had a goal of reaching butt crack length, and so now I'm just like, I can't stop now. I can't stop. I gotta wait till my hair gets to a certain length. But yeah, it's pretty low maintenance overall. It does start to hurt. But anyways, let me know if you are a part of the lock community and how you feel about your locks, especially in wake of everybody like combing their locks out. But otherwise, I'm about to finish up. Let me show y'all what I've done so far. Y'all, we are all done retwisting my hair. As y'all can see, it is not crisp. It's not super tight. And that's how I get away with like doing my hair so often. Like I said, I wash my hair every 2 weeks, but I style it maybe like every month with like a twist out or a braid out. And yeah, the time is currently 2:45, so it took me less than 45 minutes to do my hair. I am going to put a head wrap on just so I can rinse my face. And yeah, we're just gonna chill out for the rest of the day.